estate plan? It's perhaps one of the biggest questions out there. Why should I care? Now we can talk about the whys for hours, but for the purpose of this video, we want to discuss the 3 main reasons most people need at least a basic estate plan set up today. We'll discuss the high-level basics in this video, and in future videos we'll break down each point in more detail to really express why it's so important. But let's get started. Number 1, you're the parent of a minor child. So what happens if an unfortunate event occurs and tomorrow we can't be here for our kids? Who's going to take them in, love them and care for them and raise them as we'd like? It's not something we want to think about. And believe me, I'm the parent of 3 little girls. I don't want to think about this either. But it's important that we take the time and think about it today so that we can set up an estate plan which includes a will. The will is where we're going to nominate a guardian to take care of our children in the event we can't do it ourselves. Now doing this gives you the peace of mind that should something happen to you, the person of your choosing is going to take in your children and love and care for them the way that you do. Now number 2, you want to make sure that you're cared for and that decisions are made on your behalf according to your wishes when you can't make those decisions yourself. Now this goes towards having powers of attorney as part of your estate plan set up now. Now doing this helps prevent your loved ones from having to go through an expensive and burdensome court process later down the road to obtain a conservatorship over you. But the more important thing is you're giving your loved ones the guidance of what you would like to happen in the event you can't make the decision yourself. Now doing this relieves them of the burden of second-guessing whether their decision was what you would really want. Now number 3, you want to avoid the probate process. Now there's 2 big reasons to avoid the probate process. Number 1, it's expensive. It's a percentage of your total estate and the fees are set by law. There's really not a way around them. Now what this generally means is it's tens of thousands of dollars more expensive than any estate plan you could have set up today. And it's more than just money. The second reason you want to avoid it is you lose control over how your estate is distributed. So a judge is going to decide who gets what based on then existing laws and whether or not that's what you really wanted and whether or not it's in the best interest of your heirs to receive that property at that time. So these are really the big 3 reasons that most people need an estate plan. Because you have a minor child, you want to ensure that you're cared for according to your wishes when you can't make decisions on your own, and you want to avoid the probate process. Now check out some of our upcoming videos because we're going to jump into each of these topics in a little bit more detail to better explain why they're so important to you. And of course, for any of your estate planning needs, always feel free to reach out to our office.